Hi, this is Tech Guider, and I'm going to show you some cool CMD commands. Well, first, go ahead and open up the command prompt. You could click Run CMD. It's in your accessories at All Programs, Accessories. CMD is right there. You can find CMD different ways. And so once you have it open, the first part, I'm going to teach you how to shut down a website. Yeah, it's pretty crazy stuff. So type in tracer space in the website. So I'm gonna put down tracer space google.com. Or take the back. How about youtube.com? And then click that. And it'll take a while. So just wait. And basically it's a list of computers that are basically hosting Google. So wow, this is long. Okay, it's done. Alright, now type in shut down -I and enter, and it'll give you the shutdown box, and you're gonna click add, type in the IP address, and the IP address is this one right here, the 74.125. You're gonna type that in when you click add, and then basically you could choose what you want to do, all the options and stuff like that, and then you can click OK once you fill it all out, and then it'll shut down it temporarily, but then they'll eventually get back running up. So another good thing is if you're in school and they were to block you from going to MySpace, you would type in ping-myspace.com. And now we're going to Google, and we're going to type in the address bar, paste, enter, and looky there, it takes you right to MySpace, and then back to CMD. Okay. Now once you've done that, I showed you how to avoid teachers blocking websites that you still could go to. Another thing you could do, let's say teacher had a account on a school computer, and you got mad at her and you want to be a delinquent or something, do something stupid, or try to impress your friends. So you would type in to disable your teacher's account. You would type in net user space, and you would type in the teacher's account name or username, whatever you want to call it. So let's say her username is teacher, and you're going to click space, you're going to put a slash, you're going to put active new. Once you click that, it deactivates account. The teacher can't even see it. The account still exists, everything's fine, but she just can't see it, and there's no way to see it, but it's still there. And another thing, let's say you want to go into your teacher's account, but she has a password on there and you don't know it. Well, what you could do, you could type in net user teacher is the name of the account, and you're going to put a star. By doing that, I don't have an account with teacher on it, so I'm not going to click enter. It will say type in a password, and you're going to type it in, and you're not going to see it on the screen. But trust me, it is still typing. So you're going to confirm it, hit enter again, confirm it. You're not going to see it on the screen, again I say. and then you just change the password. So just log out, log into her account, and you're in. Simple stuff. Also, to create account, you were gonna put down net user space, and you're gonna type in, let's say, how about test, I don't know, test 123/add, and by doing that it just created an account name test and a password of 123. Again, simple stuff. Next I'm going to be showing you how to open up command prompt with only a notepad, because I know at some schools they would sometimes block command prompt because the teachers know you could like hack into their account and stuff like that. So now I'm going to show you how to basically do command prompt with just a notepad. Okay, well, let me exit out of this. And to exit command prompt, you type in exit, and to clear the screen, it's CLS. That's clear screen, and to exit, exit, and that exits right out of it. Alright, now we want to open up a notepad. So, we open up a notepad, and you're going to type in command.com. Just simple command.com, and you're going to click save. And then you're going to click save all files, and you're gonna call it whatever you want. Here, let me show you this. Wait 1 second. And you're gonna type in let's call it CMD .bat, and basically that's all you need. You don't have to change anything else. Just make sure you save whatever you want to call it, .bat, and save as type as all files. That's the main important part. You save it. And now you could exit this, and here's the file right here. Poop. Anyways, you're gonna open it up by double clicking, and you're gonna have this command thing, and there you go. It pops right up automatically once you click that. Simple, and it works fine. So that's how you create a CMD. And I hope that was useful, and I'm coming out with more tutorials on how to create more different types of BAT files. So I hope you learned something, and don't do something crazy with this stuff, and I'm not responsible for what you do with this, so enjoy.